Down?
Just hit it once. I think it should be flashing red.
Yeah, it says recording.
It's recording.
Okay. This is our boat. This is what we do in it.
It's so easy. It's so easy. Got our tunes rocking.
Chilling, fishing.
Just calling on the fish. She can hear you too.
Yeah, I know.
Talk fucking louder, damn it.
I don't want her to hear me. Here, fishies. You can't see them.
I wish you were with us, Laura.
Fucking A, you could sit right there in that chair. It's empty.
The bugs will land on you though.
Yeah, there's lots of dragonflies today.
Dragonflies are fucking cool.
It doesn't like any bugs, not even dragonflies. Okay, see you later.
Hasta la vista.